How to enable or disable turn off AVC block list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search turn off AVC block list from here. Scroll down. You will see turn off AVC block list is here. If you want to enable turn off AVC block list, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see turn off turn off AVC block list is enabled. If you want to disable turn off AVC block list, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see turn off AVC block list is disabled. You will enable or disable and turn off AVC block list from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable turn off AVC block list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.